Hey fellow stock guardians, happy Monday, July 12th, 2021. I'm Hoda, a stock card CEO, reporting to you from a green stock market. I reviewed the volatile start in today's market indices, looked into the cosmetic procedure and device company InMode, and explored two cloud and data analytics stocks that struggled today, FSLY and Alteryx. All three major indices ended today's trading session in the green. It was a volatile start of the week with the Nasdaq and Dow indices taking opposite directions in the beginning hours of the trading day. As far as my team and I could research, this was without any specific explanation. In the end, it all sorted and all three indices finished in the green. With the promising growth and earnings that we have seen from companies this first quarter, investors are likely optimistic about the upcoming earnings report season too. Folks, as always, a big shout out to all of you stock guardians. Thank you for watching, reading, and listening to the daily market recap reports every day. Our mission is to make investment research painless for you. If you aren't a subscriber, hit the like button and subscribe to the show. Or better yet, create a free account on stockcard.io to get the daily market recap reports. Thank you. By the way, before talking about the winners and losers, this morning we published a new video on our YouTube channel. It's my conversation with Simon Erickson, founder of 7investing.com. Simon and his team recently launched a portfolio on a StockCard's stock picks page that you should follow if you are a long-term investor. I'll leave a link in the show notes to the video conversation. We plan to do more of these conversations with the investors behind the portfolios on the stock picks page so you get to know them and their investment strategies better. Back in 2019, I looked at a cosmetic IPO that was growing rapidly. The company caught my eyes today again because its shares jumped more than 12% by the end of the trading session. So let's talk about it. InMode, ticker INMD, is a company that provides cosmetic surgeries and cutting-edge medical devices for minimally invasive or non-invasive procedures in the beauty and wellness segment. Today, I heard that the company's projected earnings were looking great. In fact, it flew past many predictions by various analysts. The stock is among the 4 greener watch lists we created last week. If you look at its stock card, it has a solid green rating for both growth potential and operations. I'm quite impressed with its sales, profits, and cash position too. No wonder why InMode has continually beat analyst predictions for revenue earnings per share in the past 8 quarters since the IPO. Cosmetic surgery is a growing industry with a great outlook, and as you can see on the company's stock card, the cosmetic medical device industry is also growing rapidly. The industry's growth is a strong force that pushes InMode's business forward. I expect this will likely not be the last time we discuss this stock, watchlist worthy to say the least. On today's losers, let's talk about a few cloud-based and analytics data companies that had tremendous growth during the pandemic. Since the reopening, these stocks have had a choppy performance. Among them, 2 of my stocks were in the red today. Alteryx, ticker AYX, provide analytics solutions to companies trying to wrangle their data and optimize their operations across many different platforms, tools, and data warehouses on the cloud or on-premise. Today, Alteryx stock fell by more than 4% when rumors broke online that Broadcom was planning to buy the SAS Institute, a direct competitor of Alteryx. Broadcom is a large corporation that serves the software infrastructure needs of other companies. Investors most likely assumed the acquisition of the SAS Institute would likely endanger Alteryx's hold on its part of the market. FSLY, ticker FSLY, is another stock that I noticed dropping by more than 3% today. Like Alteryx, FSLY provides cloud-based solutions for companies to deliver their content online rapidly and efficiently. FSLY deals with large enterprises like Pinterest, the New York Times, and TikTok. Investors might have been wrongfully spooked by FSLY's filing to convert Class B stocks to Class A shares. Both companies are in my portfolio, and I don't think the price drop for either of the two companies is problematic. I'm holding and maybe buying more. That's it for today. If you haven't already done so, please give a stock card a try, research as many stocks and ETFs that you want, and consider following a few successful investors like 7 Investing by visiting the Stock Picks page on the stock card platform. Don't forget to sign up for a 14-day free trial with a promo code ROLLWITHRCEO, all lowercase in one word, to get an additional 10% discount. And like, subscribe, and share these daily market recap reports with your fellow investors. Come back tomorrow for another episode. I'll see you then.